So we're back on Fusion content. This is a company I found off eBay. I'm a big fan of them. They always give you 2 blades, and then you get 2 refills for the blades as well. So I believe these were about like $17, $18. I found multiple things online that's kind of conflicting. I've heard 25 and 26 for the passenger side of 2016 Ford Fusion. These are both 26s, so as long as they fit, I'm good with that. Let me go ahead and pull these out of the package though, and I'll show you what's all inside, and then we'll get to installing them on the car. This should be a pretty quick video. I think you have to change the clips that are on there, and that should be pretty easy to do. Let me pull these out. I'm going to need both hands, and then I'll show you what's in the package. So here's everything that you get. I'm not sure if I'm going to need these clips or this clip. Sorry. But these are the refills. This is the first time I've ever actually seen them together, but they just split apart. But the refill actually goes in up there. You just fish this out, and super easy to do. So I've had these on multiple vehicles. They're actually on my Ram. I had them on the Trailblazer, on the Impala. I really like them, and for the price and with you getting a refill, it's really, really hard to beat. So now that I've showed you everything inside, let me go out to the car and we'll figure out how to get these off. Sorry for the noise. It's a little windy out here. So up here, you can see there's a clip there and a clip there. Go ahead and squeeze them, and it just should push off like that. I'm going to go ahead and lower this gently so it doesn't break the windshield. I need to figure out which one of these clips. I don't know if it's this one, or actually it looks like that one's going to be the one that needs to go on there. So let me put the camera down just for a second, and I won't completely slide it on until just so I can show you how it goes on. Okay, so I'm going to try to do this with 2 hands, or 1 hand, sorry. See how that has a little square? That goes there. So fish this like that, and then squeeze the bottom, and it should just snap on like that. There you go. I don't know if that's all the way in. It is. And then the only thing left to do, pull the green protector off and go ahead and lower it back on your windshield. And then go ahead and repeat the process for the other side, and that's it. Super easy. You don't have to change a clip or anything. Like I said, I saw conflicting info on the internet about the size for the passenger side. I went ahead and used 26, but actually, let me throw the other one on just to make sure, and then we'll end the video. Okay, so we're in the car. We're going to finish this up. Just want to test it, make sure everything's good to go. Fitment, everything on the wiper seem okay. And it looks good on the windshield. It's, yeah, everything looks good. So, like I said, that's an eBay brand. It's called Arrow. Really, really like them. Not sponsored by them, but I do always replace all the wipers with those. So, if you guys got any tips or anything, or you want to comment below, go ahead and like and subscribe. And thanks for watching the video.